In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to JPG on Adobe Acrobat. If you need to turn a PDF into image files that are easier to share, upload, or use in presentations and design projects, Adobe Acrobat makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click so you can convert your PDF into JPG format quickly and without confusion. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to convert is already open on your screen. Starting with the correct file open is important because Acrobat will use the active document for the conversion. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly check that you're viewing the final version of the PDF you want to export, especially if you work with multiple similar files. Once your PDF is open, look for the Convert option and click on it. This is the tool Acrobat uses to change your file from one format into another. If your interface looks slightly different, the wording may still be the same, so just focus on finding the conversion area in the toolbar or menu. After that, go to the left-hand column and click on Image Format. This section groups together the export options for image-based file types. Choosing image format tells Acrobat that you want the pages of your PDF turned into image files rather than another document type such as Word or Excel. Next, click on Convert to JPG. This is the key step that tells Acrobat exactly which image format you want to use. JPG is a popular choice because it's widely supported and usually creates files that are easy to store, send, and upload. Depending on the size of your PDF, Acrobat may take a few moments to process the conversion, so give it a little time if needed. Once the conversion is complete, you'll be taken to a preview page. From there, go to the top right and click the download icon. This will download your converted JPG file or files to your device. In many cases, if your PDF contains multiple pages, Acrobat may package the JPGs together for download, so keep an eye on your downloads folder after the file finishes saving. And that's all it takes to convert a PDF to JPG in Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF, click Convert, choose Image Format, select Convert to JPG, and then download the result from the preview page. If you follow those steps in order, you should have your JPG files ready to use in just a few minutes.